Hello everyone, my name is Venkatesh and this is SolidWorks lesson 1.2. Okay, we are going to draw this head shape using mirrors, mainly mirrors and length. Okay, come on, let's go. First, remember the dimensions. Height is 200, the width here is 100, and over here it should be 102. So overall length is 300. Do you remember point? Okay, this is 50. Do you remember that? Let's go to a new part diagram. Open tree, select a plane which is already selected. In my case, I'll show you again how to select discard changes. Go to tree, select a plane. This is important, you have to always select a plane. Then go for axis. This is also really important. You have to always have a particular origin, as a reference line. So go for infinite length. If it is not, it will be just like a dotted line from here to there. So this is horizontal one as our x-axis, this is vertical one as y-axis, and this is our origin point. So two are enough for this thing. So done. Let us take a line. The shape is okay, height is here. Okay, I'll show you from here to here. It should be like 100. This is 100, this is 50, and this is 50. I'll show you how. Escape. See, let's see the dimensions over here. See, we didn't draw full thing. We did draw what is this called here to only this part, which is in the second quadrant. Did you get my point? Here. Total height is 200, but here to here is 100. So go for smart dimensions and give this as smart dimensions. Select this line, which is 100. 100. Okay, this one should be. I'm just showing to you. This is 100. We drew full length, so it is 100. And this is, let's go here. This total length is 100, but we are going to half it from here to here, right? This is 50. 50. Okay. Okay, we got everything. It's our diagram. See. Only line which is blue, which says that it is not fixed. I'll show you. You can drag it and change the length of everything you want to see. This length is not fixed. That is the only reason why this is moving, right? So for smart dimensions, give it a 50. That is 50, right? 50, and our whole diagram is in black, so every dimension is fixed. Even if you drag it, it is not going to move. So okay, now we have to mirror it, right? Select mirror icon, mirror entities here. Go for entities, you have to select it. So no need to use control over here. Click on the entities, you have to lines or entities, you have to mirror. Selected my lines. Go for mirror about. Mirror about is a reference line on which the mirror is going to be placed. Okay, this is our mirror about mirror reference line. So this is approximately where our diagram is going to get. See, you got the mirror icon, and again this is not the full product, so we have to again mirror it second time. So basically I'm showing how to mirror it, right? So again go for mirror entities. You can click and drag to select all. What I got everything but two. Select those two by clicking it. Common lens over. Okay, there is a point. I don't know why. Let's delete it. Come on, let's mirror it. Mirror from here. Is it right? No, it is not. Delete it. It should be mirror on this axis, right? Yeah. Yeah, you got the correct one. Click it. This is how to mirror by only giving, only drawing half section. Quarter of the section you got everything by repeating twice, mirroring twice. So you can save it. Save button, go for save or save as, whatever you wish. I am going to save part 1. This is lesson 1.2, right? So I am giving it 1.2. Save. Thanks and enjoy. Bye.